friend, and welcome to my channel. Let's draw the letters Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z of the alphabet together. Are you ready? Let's start! Draw the letter Q with a curved line, a small semicircle, a large circle, draw inside it a curved line, a diagonal line, a semicircle, a diagonal line, and a circle. Well done! The letter Q is ready. Draw the letter R with a vertical line, a curved line, a vertical line, a horizontal line, a diagonal line, a horizontal one, a curved line, a diagonal line, a semicircle, and a horizontal line. Draw a vertical line, a horizontal line, a semicircle, and a horizontal line inside it. Well done! The letter R is ready. Now draw the letter S with a curved line, a semicircle, a diagonal line, a small curved line, another curved line, a small curved line, a semicircle, a diagonal line, a small curved line, and another curved line. Good job! The letter S is ready. Draw the letter T with a curved line, a horizontal line, a vertical line, a curved line, a vertical line, a horizontal line, a curved line, a horizontal line, and another curved line. Well done! The letter T is ready. Draw the letter U with a curved line, a vertical line, a semicircle, a vertical line, a small curved line, a vertical line, a semicircle, a vertical line, and a curved line. Well done! The letter U is ready. Draw the letter V with a diagonal line, a curved line, a diagonal line, a curved line, a diagonal line, another diagonal line, a curved line. Well done! The letter V is ready. Draw the letter W with a diagonal line, a curved line, a diagonal line, another diagonal line, a curved line, a diagonal line, a curved line, a diagonal one, a diagonal line, a curved one, another line diagonal, a diagonal line, and a curved line. Good job! The letter W is ready. Now draw the letter X with one diagonal line, another diagonal, one curved line, one diagonal line, another diagonal line, one curved line, two diagonal lines, one curved line, two diagonal lines, and one curved line. Well done! The letter X is ready. Draw the letter Y with a diagonal line, a curved line, a diagonal line, another diagonal line, a curved line, a diagonal line, a vertical line, a curved line, and a vertical line. Well done! The letter Y is ready. Draw the letter Z with a horizontal line, a curved line, a diagonal line, a horizontal line, a curved line, a horizontal, a curved line, a diagonal line, a horizontal line, and a curved line. Good job! The letter Z is ready. Wow! Our drawing turned out great! Now let's get the colors. Use red for the letter Q. Use orange for the letter R. Use brown for the letter C. Color the letter T with yellow. Use light green for the letter U. Use dark green for the letter V. Color the letter W with blue. Use indigo for the letter X. Use pink for the letter Y. And color the letter Z with purple. Great job! Our letters came out really well. Now repeat the letters of the alphabet with me. Q, R,
W, X, Y, and Z.
S,
Now I know my ABCs.
T,
Time, won't you sing with me?
U,
A, B, C,
V,
D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K,
W,
L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T,
X,
V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Y,
Now I know my ABCs.
and Z.
Time, won't you sing with me?
Well done! Goodbye, friends. See you soon.